English Learning Network.
Run.
Do you run every morning?
Yes, I run every morning.
Jump. Can you jump high?
Yes, I can jump high.
Swim. Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love to swim.
Write. Do you write letters often?
Yes, I write letters often.
Read. Do you read books?
Yes, I read books regularly.
Cook. Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook dinner every night.
Sing. Can you sing well?
Yes, I can sing well.
Dance. Do you dance at parties?
Yes, I love to dance at parties.
Draw. Can you draw a picture?
Yes, I can draw a picture.
Paint. Do you paint landscapes?
Yes, I paint landscapes.
Climb. Can you climb trees?
Yes, I can climb trees.
Drive. Do you drive to work?
Yes, I drive to work.
Shop. Do you shop online?
Yes, I shop online frequently.
Eat. Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, I eat breakfast daily.
Drink. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Sleep. Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep early.
Speak. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Listen. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Watch. Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Play. Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play soccer.
Study. Do you study every day?
Yes, I study every day.
Travel. Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel often.
Work. Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home.
Teach. Do you teach English?
Yes, I teach English.
Learn. Do you learn new things?
Yes, I learn new things.
Laugh. Do you laugh a lot?
Yes, I laugh a lot.
Cry. Do you cry during movies?
Yes, I sometimes cry during movies.
Smile. Do you smile often?
Yes, I smile often.
Help. Do you help your friends?
Yes, I help my friends.
Wash. Do you wash your car?
Yes, I wash my car every week.
Clean. Do you clean your house?
Yes, I clean my house.
Fix. Can you fix a bike?
Yes, I can fix a bike.
Build. Can you build a model?
Yes, I can build a model.
Open. Can you open the door?
Yes, I can open the door.
Close. Can you close the window?
Yes, I can close the window.
Throw. Can you throw a ball?
Yes, I can throw a ball.
Catch. Can you catch a frisbee?
Yes, I can catch a frisbee.
Surf. Can you surf?
Yes, I can surf.
Kick. Can you kick a football?
Yes, I can kick a football.
Walk. Do you walk to work?
Yes, I walk to work.
Phone. Do you phone your parents?
Yes, I phone my parents.
Send. Do you send postcards?
Yes, I send postcards.
Receive. Do you receive packages?
Yes, I receive packages.
Bake. Do you bake cakes?
Yes, I bake cakes.
Sew. Can you sew a dress?
Yes, I can sew a dress.
Knit. Can you knit a scarf?
Yes, I can knit a scarf.
Weave. Can you weave a basket?
Yes, I can weave a basket.
Ride. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Fly. Can you fly a kite?
Yes, I can fly a kite.